Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, folks. We've got a beautiful Copperhead 52 rolling out of the shop, guys, just past Christmas. Wonderful day out here in Knoxville. I don't know if it gets much better than this. And we got my man Mike's Copperhead 52. Now, Mike just happens to live in the great state of Texas. You know, we love all our Texas folk out there. Big barbecue state, Texas is. We love that. Let's check out Mike's Copperhead 52. I think this may be personally my favorite setup. Yeah, it just looks good, cooks good, it's badass. So let's check her out. So like I said, Copperhead 52, that's 52 inches wide. The Copperhead is our octagon smoke chamber design. And besides just looking good, it does have a couple other benefits, mainly the volume inside. So it gives room for a little more height between the grates, so you're not stressing trying to fit a pork butt in there. You got plenty of room, and you get a little bit wider top shelf as well. You know we love our top shelf in Knoxville. We've got that Goddess fire poker in there. Now, Mike did add several add-ons here, one being the charcoal pan setup. So what that is, we give you an ash pan and a charcoal tray, so you can take your reverse flow plates out, set that in the bottom of your smoker, and use the chamber as a charcoal grill. Works out great. Just adds a little more versatility to your smoker. Stainless steel front shelf, off-road package, upgraded wheels and tires from our guys Mods down in Texas. We do have our TMG Pits Tell-True thermometers with the thermometer eyebrow upgrade as well. Moving on to the hot box. This is our 30-inch hot box. 5 sliding trays in here, guys. Y'all know the deal. 1,776 square inches of cook space in this thing. That's just because we love America. Okay, that's all there is to it. Now, what we love about this hot box is it runs completely independent from the smoke chamber. It can be cooking at 2 different temperatures on the same fire. It's really nice. We've got a plate in here with daisy wheels. That's how you control it. You can pull the whole plate out and get direct fire in there as well. So really versatile option there. We love that hot box. Step around to the fire box here. This is our insulated fire box. Still have your fire management cradle in there, as you can see. D-ring tie downs on all 4 corners. Now, Mike's Backyard Barbecue custom stainless steel logo there as well. Really nice setup here, guys. Going down to Texas, say, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.